Hello, beautiful. So I'm doing an Undersink 2-tier metal perforated expandable shelf rack organizer, and already put this part together. So I'm working on putting the shelves in now, and that's one step closer that I'm getting to completing my bathroom. So let's see. I was supposed to. Could you come in for a second, Mom? Do you think I should keep it like this, or do you think I should do it like this?
Yeah, like that. That's how I got mine. Because you can move.
But I can't move it up and down. I only can move
No, but you can move the shelf side to side. So do you know what your theme is gonna be?
No, and this side keep raising up.
What? Oh. You gonna have so much stuff nobody will see it. Sometimes they're just dusty.
I wiped all the stuff off. It must.
Is it working?
Like this.
Mm-hmm. Well,
Huh?
no, it's supposed to be. Is that the way the shelf would go? The shelf would still be wide.
But that's what I'm saying. Is it supposed to go in between this pipe thing?
Right. See, where's the side? I mean, let me see the. See how it looks? It's still wide, but it goes right in the middle.
Okay, well I have to keep them close so I can.
Oh, and then you. Okay.
Like this, right?
Right.
But it's yours go. Your sink is higher, or is mine just?
No.
That's how it go, right?
Mm-hmm. And the shelving just goes like two.
Two, right?
Mm-hmm. It's two and then one. Two on the right and then one on the left. See?
Oh.
She gonna get in. So I'm going to Home Depot. You said you did.
Huh?
I said you did. But
Do they have shower curtains there?
at Home Depot?
Mm-hmm. Well, I don't want to hold you up, so everybody doing their own project today. Just take baby.
Until I find one.
Until you what?
Until I find a base for the sofa table, I can take this wooden table and just put it in the middle and then push it against the wall.
What happened to the other one?
I don't. The two pedestals? Right.
What?
I guess lost in translation. Yes, that's what
Hello YouTube, hello beautiful. So today I'm going to be getting my hair braided. I'm really excited because I've been wanting to get my hair braided for a while now. This whole quarantine I haven't gotten my hair done, but I'm excited. So I just did a wash, detangle, and blow dried my hair so that it could be easier for the braider. And I wanted to show you my outfit of the day. I got this top from Zara, $19.99, and the bottom is like, I thought it was really cool. It's like a sweatshirt, like sweatpants, but it's a skirt, like a midi skirt. This was also $19.90. I just paired it with my Uggs. Hi, So yeah, and then I'm just gonna pair it with this jacket. And then I just put this headband on so I can be warm. It's kind of chilly outside. So I'm gonna pair it with this jacket that I got from Forever 21. It was actually maybe around this time a few years ago, maybe like 2 years ago. So it's kind of on trend. It's not as long as the ones that are kind of on trend right now, but it's a good length. But the ones that are on trend right now are kind of longer, maybe like knee length, or yeah, like a little bit longer than this. But this one will do. I like it. I've been wearing it for a while and it keeps me warm, so it does the job. So I just have a few errands to run before I head over to get my hair braided, and then afterwards I still have some more errands to run. So I'm gonna be taking you guys with me, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello, beautiful. So it's dark. I finished getting my hair done. Now I'm at Autozone. I'm going to pick up this part and hopefully make it to Costco to see when they can put on my new tires, because I picked up a tire key, because I got my car fixed on. It got fixed. The axle was fixed, so I guess they had to do something with the tires, and I took it to this mechanic, and I guess he didn't put my tire key back in the place where it's supposed to go, so I had to get a new one. So I had to reschedule my appointment because Costco had already had my car and everything, so they couldn't find the key. And I was like, well, it should be there, and it wasn't there. And then I realized that the mechanic he didn't put it back where he was supposed to put it back. So I ended up not getting my new tires, so now I had to order a tire key. So hopefully, I'm praying that this is the tire key that fits my car. So let's go and see. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also follow me on IG at hello_beautiful89.